Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I am going to show you how to build a ICF sleeper class coach. So first we need blue concrete, light blue concrete, hopper, wrapped stair, stone, piston and lever. Now first we have to make like this. Then we have to build it a 29 blocks from here to the other end of the wrapped stair, crimson stairs. It is 29 blocks, so we have to build like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. Then you have to that it is equal, and yes, it is equal. Then we have to place a stone block, build it like this, and 3 blocks like this, and place here a piston, and here same with the other end, here and here. Put the lever in the center as to show it is a screw coupling. Place 3 hooks on the both ends. Place the lever or power it. Same with the other side. Now we should make this like this. Cover it like this. Same with this side. Now we have to cover this with this warped stair, this blue type of stair, like this. And with the other side. And you will get this type of structure by covering this and this. 1 2 3 4. You will get a 33 block base. Now do it like this, like I do. First place concrete here and here. This is from the gangway. Here for the door, and here, and do it like this. Place block and do it like on the other side. Now take a light blue concrete and place like this, and for the window gaps, here, 1 block gap. you should make your base a odd number to make both sides equal as one gap. If you make a even, then it will, I think it will be like this. It will be like this, and there was a gap for door. So make your base a odd number, like I make a 33 base. Now another layer of blue concrete, do it like this. You will get a structure like this. Now we need a slab, a smooth stone slab, and place it like this on the edges. Now to make the gangway, we first need this polished blackstone brick wall. Put it like this, and oh, I forgot, you have to put the lever like this so the door cannot get power, because if you like this, the door will be in a open manner. It's your choice to make the lever power on our power, or power or unpower. Same with the other side. Next we have to do it like this. Oh. Now we need glowstone. Here it is. Place it like this. I placed glowstone for the light in the interior. Cover the gaps. Then in the interior we have to do it like this. Cover the gaps, here gaps too. Now we have we need we need a oak fence. Place it like this. What the hell? Like this, and we have to cover the glowstone. Not to expose the glowstone. Now we need a crimson trapdoor. Make the stair like this. Now after 3 blocks we have to place a crimson trapdoor here and here. Same with the other side. Of 3 blocks, a crimson trapdoor here and another here. I actually placed the crimson trapdoor here because for the emergency windows in Indian ICF coaches, also LHB coaches, and the emergency windows are red, so I place a crimson trapdoor here, and these crimson trapdoor are also working. Don't skip the video, you will can see why it is working. Place the iron bars here for climbing up rods, for the rods to climb up. You will get a structure like this. Now we need hopper and a polished blackstone brick slab. Put it here. Two blocks gap and hoppers. Same with the other side. Now I will finish these things later, but now we have to make the interior because it is the main thing for a nice build. We have to make the interior realistic. So first we have to make a cabin type of thing. 3 blocks gap, and here again 3 blocks gap, and here you have to build like this. Now you will find a space here, and for here I actually place the stair here for some people who can't find spaces, so they can sit here for a small period of time. So we need prismarine brick stairs and prismarine brick slab like this. We have to make cabins like this. First place here, then this, it's your choice. You can place these stairs, you can place the birds here, or maybe here. I actually place the birds here, and the side birds here. For the birds we have to place stairs, and for the upper birds we have to place slab, and for the side lower bird we have to place slabs, and for the side upper bird we have to place slabs like this. So build like this. You will also here don't miss any places. Now we need a oak trapdoor and a crimson trapdoor. I actually need a oak trapdoor for if you travel in ICF coaches in Indian Railways. You will find out that there are at night some windows are shuttered. You will find that a glass door will be there, uh, another a permanent door which is which sorry, just build with me. So I am trying to say that you will find, if you travel in ICF coach, you will find that there are two type of windows: a glass type of window, and another is a window made of wood. So the glass is for if there was rain, they will shut the glass window so the raindrops will not so the water drops will not come in the interior. And at night if they are sleeping, for their for their safety for the safety and security type of thing, they will shut the door which is made of wooden, so I made here the wooden type of door, so they can open and close this. Also this wooden door also I will say this in the, तो ये जो ट्रैपडोर है ये एक अच्छा भूमिका निभाते हैं, ये क्या बोलते हैं इसको, हाँ इमरजेंसी विंडो, क्योंकि माइनक्राफ्ट में अगर मैं इमरजेंसी विंडो एक वर्किंग इमरजेंसी विंडो बनाना चाहता हूँ तो मुझे पहले एक क्रिम्सन ट्रैपडोर और ये ट्रैपडोर यहाँ पर लगाना होगा। क्योंकि अगर हम शिफ्ट दबाकर ऐसे बैठे थके और समझो ये रियल लाइफ है, समझो ये माइनक्राफ्ट का दुनिया है, तो माइनक्राफ्ट का लॉजिक चलेगा। तो क्या होगा, जब हम ट्रैपडोर क्लिक करेंगे ओपन करेंगे तो हम यहाँ पर ऐसे आ जाएगा और यहाँ पर, और इस ट्रैपडोर के वजह से हम आसानी से बाहर जा सकते हैं। ये माइनक्राफ्ट का लॉजिक है, लेकिन ये वर्किंग है क्योंकि रियल लाइफ में इमरजेंसी विंडो खोलकर सब वहां से ही भाग जाते हैं। जब सोचो कोई जब सोचो आग लग जाए या कोई दुर्घटना हो। चलो इंग्लिश में वापस आ जाते। सो वी हैव टू प्लेस ट्रैपडोर्स हियर 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 and don't forget to shut the trapdoors placed in the emergency window. Shut the trapdoors and open these trapdoors. Don't forget to miss trapdoor. Place it everywhere. And next we need a crimson trapdoor to place here. If you travel in ICF coaches, you will see in some ICF coaches you will see a table type of thing which can be folded, and it is a bit red and blue type of color. So I like the red one, so I placed it like here. You can use any trapdoor to make this, but for realistic look you can use this. So now we need a iron trapdoor. Place it here, here, here. So it will look like a fan type of thing. Yes, I know the glowstone is visible, but ignore that. Hmm. And I have to double check it that yes, I have missed something. You need this sign in real life also. There is a sign called this is the emergency window. Actually, we'll be thinking that where is the chain pull. So I don't know how to make the chain pull, so I didn't make it actually. But I tried my best to give the best details in as real life in Minecraft. So first place it like this, and then aim, and then like this, and then color it with a red dye. Just right click on it, and then press Ctrl and click the scroll bar on the sign, so you will get a plus NBT and another here. So if you place the sign, it will already be written here. So you will make like this, and then we need a iron door. Place it here, and again on the other side here, and don't forget to place that here also. Actually, I actually placed here for the luggage type of thing. I think for the luggage you will need an iron trapdoor. Yes, I actually forgot here, so I replace it with an iron trapdoor. For the luggage type of thing, don't think that both are for birth or both are for luggage. This iron door is for the luggage, and these slabs are for the birth. So don't think that both are same. So check that you place the table or trapdoor. Now you will need a lever. You will also need a hopper and a triple hook. I actually didn't make the bathrooms. If you want to make a bathroom, just make it a 4 block, means here, here and here. And to make the bathroom, just place the stone block here and the stone, any color block here or here. Place the door here like this, and place a hopper by breaking this block. I will make a tutorial on that. So place it here, and on the other end so it will look like this. Now we need to make the doors. To make the door, check that the door is opening here, not here, in the inner side. Oh shit, you should place the door here. Yes, here. Wait a minute. Okay, make make the glowstone here. Actually, you will have some problems. Sorry for the disturbance. place it here and here. Also on the other side. Again check is everything same, and yes, everything is same. Not everything actually here. The glowstone should be placed. So, but then also the coach is looking really nice from the interior. Now we need black concrete, a light gray concrete, and stone slab. It's your choice. It's your choice to make that bio toilet. I actually make the bio toilet with the help of light gray concrete, and it gives really realistic. In this video I have seen that I tried my best to give the details to the iSafe coach. So I also include the bio toilet. To make the bio toilet, we need light gray concrete. Place it here and here. Sorry if the video is long, but you will understand that how to make this coach. Here and here, and place a stone slab here. Place another stone slab here. Now it will look really nice. Now to make the under things, and this is also the main thing. First we need black concrete. I think this is maybe the battery box. That battery box means if the coach run in a nice speed, for the motors in it, it will produce electricity and store in it, and for that the fans and lights will be powering. So make this battery box. So first we have to place this slab here to make it. Two block gaps and place it at two slab, and again two block gaps and place here. Make sure you first place here and then here, and make it 1 2 3 4 5, and make it a 5 blocks. 2 3 4 5. It is equal. and again place smooth stone slab by placing a 2 blocks gap here and here, and another here. Equal it. It is equal. I know this video is really long, but you will I know this video is long, but you will understand how to make this coach. In the next video, I I will make how to make a EMU drive coach, that Eastern Railway EMU, that green and yellow livery, the old one. And if you are thinking what is this, this is a general coach. You can easily make this to make. If you want to make a ICF one, make the process same, but place a stone brick slab here, and instead of this here, you need to place the yellow concrete here, to give the real life look. So thanks for watching my video, and yeah, bye.